The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities within the California state area. A paranormal individual, last seen in Hawaii, is expected to reach the state of California at the next hour. The origin of this individual is currently unknown at this time. The individual appears to have blonde hair, wearing a red dress, and has the capability to release a consistent amount of energy simultaneously. This had occurred when it was at Hawaii. Everyone in the California state area is to seek into a safe place now, as the energy release could damage buildings. Get out of tall buildings by going into the lowest floor and take essential supplies such as food, water, and a battery-powered radio. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to either handle this individual or to escort people into safe areas. Immediately seek shelter and do not go outside if the warning sirens go off. Now go into a safe place now.